Hey guys, iPhone 11 is coming near to us, and this time we have got interesting leaks about the Apple Pencil for the next generation iPhones. Before starting the video, let's watch what Steve Jobs have to say about the stylus on the smartphones.
Oh, a stylus, right? We're going to use a stylus. No. No. Who wants a stylus? You have to get them and put them away and you lose them. Yuck. Nobody wants a stylus. Yuck. Nobody wants a stylus.
But now after 12 years, it seems that finally Apple will be adopting the stylus for the smartphones. Third-party case maker Elixir have leaked the case for the upcoming iPhone 11 Pro that include a space for the Apple Pencil. This case is currently listed for sale on the website of UK retailer Mobile Phone, described as crafted from premium genuine leather with the added convenience of an Apple Pencil sleeve. We are not sure if the Apple Pencil will be fitted on the iPhone 11 Pro like on the Samsung Note series, or we have to purchase the mini Apple Pencil separately. Also, we can be clear about the 3-lens camera module for the upcoming iPhone 11 from the case. Do you want to see Apple Pencil on the iPhones? Share your thoughts on the comment section below, and if you guys are new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.